Ngong team, so 6,000.
Bilihan na ng ticket. Airplane! This is our plane. Amaze na ako.
Oh, yung airplane! Parang ano?
Tuloy mo, tuloy mo. Hindi niya na alam yung Tagalog.
Parang,
Like a?
parangs. Basta parangs.
Ang ganda ng airplane. Oh my gosh, what a nice view.
Nice. Ang ganda dito, Jessaw.
Diba? Oh, yo. Wait.
Wow! Wow!
How's your plane?
Ang ganda ng pwesto dito.
Kaya ka.
Ito may punto ko.
It's so fast.
Look at the airport, Chani. I can see. Can you?
Me too.
Nice view. Cable cars.
Baby helicopter back to this. Baby the helicopter back to the stage into the airplanes.
Yan kami.
I-search mo ang turbo, Jessy.
We're definitely going.
Really? Really?
엄마 저거 계단 올라가지
Ang
마.
accent mo.
She's going up.
Yeah, they're going up, but we're going down, down, down. See, the
아,
race,
간대요,
hike namin yan.
아니 문제는 뭐 저기 버스 잘
Mga
올라가.
kami din kayo mag-malayo.
Let's go. What was that?
Why is there a Lala Boo?
This is where we are now. It's moving.
We got red, yellow.
This is where we are now. This is where we go. Oh, sorry.
Yes.
This one.
Yes.
Sana, natutuwa lang kami.
Tala na, baka tayo
Ikan. Diba? 90. Yaman. Mama, oh. Like it?
Which one do you want, Kanchan? Which one? Uy! Do you want that one or this one? Which one do you want? This or this? This one. Kasi ito baka makakita ko.
Which one do you want?
Oh, we can try.
Ang lalaki nga naman this time.
Maantay na tayo sa labas.
Okay, what do you want?
Oh, sorry.
This one daw talaga yung talaga gusto niya. Kaya niya mabinibili. Uy, babayaran pa yun ni Mama.
Later, after them.
You like your new shades? From Mamu? Lalaki.
Sa mama ko lang natin yan ah. Yes, ang ganda.
Sa Korea, meron din yun. Tapos sa, strawberry. Ano daw? Lock mo na yung love nyo. Ha? Shani?
Mahal daw eh.
Are you pagod ka? Ha? Pagod ka na?
Kapusap lang yan.
There's a lot of dragonflies, right? Shani? You think we can climb the Buddha? Huh? You think? You don't know. It's there. There's the Buddha. See it? You think you can climb it? It says 100 steps. Can you climb 100 steps? No? let's count it, okay? Okay? So we're going to climb this mountain. Chan, you ready?
Yes.
Ready?
Yes.
Nakapag-practice na siya magbilang.
There's so many.
How many stairs are they?
Oh, so many.
So many. You can do it. You can do it, Shani. 1, 2.
Oh. So many.
How many is that?
So many.
Chan, don't run. Tito. Your lolo Lolo Benson is there.
Yeah, I can see.
How many steps left?
So many of them.
So many of them. You can see it. Hingal na ako. Kaya nga. Sabi ko kay Chanchan, bilangin niya, nag-enjoy, tumakbo eh. We're almost there. Almost there. Hingal ka na? Alahati na kami. So far away? So many more? Many more? Many more?
It's so many stairs.
Ikaw, Chanchan, may energy ka na? Wala pa? Pawis. Oh, tanong mo si Lolo. Lolo, may energy ka na?
Konti.
Oh,
lang. Mga tatlong hakbang.
may energy na ikaw.
Ako?
Opo.
Opo.
Oh.
Almost there.
Almost there.
Almost there. How was it? Is it 100? Chanchan,
Yes.
you sure it's 100? There it is. Oh,
Hi.
hi, Buddha. Come on, Chan. Chan, now look. There's so many. We made it. Chan, we made it to the top. Saan mo sa loob lang? This is it.
Hindi pala dumaan dyan sa baba dyan.
This is the Buddha. You have energy?
Sir!
Sweetheart!
Sabi mo ka. Patulungin mo tatlong kalimutan dyan.
We're going down. Chanchan, we're going down?
Yes.
Yes. Oh. You have energy?
Yes.
More energy. More energy. More power. More power. Mukhang taal. Bakit parang ganyan yung sa Tagaytay? Where? Chanchan! Chanchan! You going down? Bye, Buddha.
Yeah.
Bye, Buddha.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Chanchan, wait for us, Chanchan, okay? That's going down.
So many stairs.
Steps. Kasi nasa labas. Stairs, ginagamit sa loob.
Lolo Benson is there. It's Lolo Benson. He's waiting for you. si tita. Nagblagag na. Wow. Ano, Mamu? May energy ka pa?
Marami. Pati no.
How many na? Ilan? Ilan?
How many? How many steps? 400?
Not sure na. I'm not sure na.
Not yet. I say not yet.
Oh, not yet. Picture. Picture!
You want some water?
Taking a rest.
May biscuit na kayong daw na.
Yeah. We're down, okay? We're done. We finished the steps. How many steps is that? Did you count? So many. You didn't finish counting? You got distracted. Look at Mamu. Mamu is tired.
A little
Mamu
bit.
tired. Ask Mamu.
Are you tired?
Not really.
Are you tired? No, din.
No.
So paramihan kayo ni Mamu
I'm
na.
tired.
Oh, you're tired. I'm tired. Paramihan kayo. Kala ko paramihan kayo ni Mamu na energy eh.
Are you happy, Chan-Chan? Asan yung salamin yan? Ilagay mo na sa lagayan.
Yes. Are you happy daw, Chani? Going home. Going. What?
Ay, guys, hindi pa nakapil ng Hong Kong, ano?
Kala ko.
Ba't tayo mo isama?
Takot po yun sa aeroplano. Si Chan na.
Yes, sir. May
Oh, so happy. Nabudol si Mamu ng popcorn. How much ang popcorn? How much? $100. $100.
750
Pesos. Budol na budol si Mamu. Ang galing mambudol ng batang ito. Pagod na.
We're going down. Whoa.
Going home. Chan.
Kasi 108.
Kasi pinaano-ano pa din. The swimming pool, Chan. Ganda na swimming pool. Yan ang maganda mag-swimming. Wala na nag-swimming.
Kasi nakakalaps ka na.
Bisa muna tayo dun sa sa
Ang mga umuwi. Ako samahan mo sila tapos susunod na lang ako.